how to earn money playing food fight, and this is where I get my transport from, the money I travel with, and sometimes the money I buy with food. So you let it download first, but first go to your Play Store. Let me go back. Don't know why it's not responding, but okay. So first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store. There is my Play Store. Then after it loads, type in food and money. Type in food fight. Food fight. Food fight. Fight. Then search. I think I need to add something. To add Bitcoin. Then let it load. I'm not sure of the title yet, but let it download. I know it will bring it. Yeah, it's Bitcoin food fight. Okay. I don't know why it's not loading, but my internet is slow. So as you can see, there are a lot of apps, and I will update you on them. Okay, it's here. This is the food fight app. It looks like this. See, you play. First of all, you sign up, then you start playing. If you don't sign up before playing, then your coins will not count. Sorry, your coins here. So the value, you see this one, the 5 million points, you get 500, whatever you are seeing here, Bitcoin, which is good. Then after this, you play. You see how the app looks from the inside, and then you can change this. I'll show you when I start playing. So this is the app, 56 MB only. So okay, I'll go back to my app, food fight, Bitcoin food fight. I think it's up here. Okay, then let it load. Though we are having Valentine's giveaway, so please download the app as fast as you can right now. There are more offers, and it is really good to do that and earn some money. Don't stay on the street begging. Okay, let's give it some time. Please subscribe to my channel. A lot of people, they are watching my videos, but they are not subscribing. I don't know what's the problem. Please comment on the comments down below of what you feel like I should post, what you feel like it interests you. Okay, it is here. So there are more ads there with it, because it pays it among the least or maybe countable. Okay, for me, I updated my whatever you want to do. Okay, like here, I can go here. I can go. Okay, first I play this. Okay, so basically, but I can. Okay, let it. are the apps that come in. You can use the full the ice cream one to play with. So here you go here, click on that. Then you can change. You see I started with fork, then I went to fish, just exploring my options. Went to this one, I don't know what it is. Went to ice cream, and now you have to, for you to unlock these things, you have to have 100 cookies. I can choose nice, which is at least better compared to the other ones. And I unlock it, and then it is there. Why is it unlocking the other one? Let me unlock this one. I want that one. Oh shit. The ice cream one is lollipop one is also good. Let me go back. Start. You see, it's more space. I didn't know that. Unlike the other ice cream one, it takes a lot of space. You lose more, and then so that's how we play. How much? You can see on the I've said that you will see adding from there, and for now I have 65,656 points, and you can withdraw anytime so long as you have a Coinbase account here. Coinbase app. You download it from Play Store too. So let's get back, and this thing, it really pays you guys. For me, at first I felt like it wasn't giving me whatever I needed. Maybe it was small. I went to remote tasks. I wasted my money there. I used a lot of, first of all, those people who are using data bundles. It is really too much compared to those people who are on Wi-Fi. What was I going to show you? The Coinbase app is here. So, sorry, I'm going to show you where you have to, and you can withdraw at any time. My internet is poor. Please subscribe. Next time I'll show you how to go about it, how to withdraw. Basically, it's just that simple. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.